Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Frigidaire dishwasher is showing you the UO error code, it usually points to a vent open or vent assembly issue during the drying cycle. So this can affect drying performance and it may stop the cycle from completing properly. So today I'm going to show you how you can fix this error step by step. So first of all, you need to start by turning off the power to the dishwasher at the breaker for about 2 to 3 minutes. So this simple reset is going to clear the temporary software glitches or false vent related error readings. Now the UO error code often appears when the vent door fails to close properly. So the second thing that you need to do here is to simply check the vent area, which is usually located on the inner door panel for grease buildup, debris or obstructions that may prevent normal vent movement. After doing so, you just have to simply examine the vent fan motor. So Frigidaire dishwashers use a vent fan motor to manage moisture during drying. So if the fan motor is defective, blocked or not operating properly, the control board may trigger the UO code. So you need to simply listen to the unusual noises or lack of vent operation. Now sometimes the loose or damaged wiring between the vent assembly can also and the control board can also trigger this particular error. So you just have to simply inspect the accessible wiring for visible damages or disconnected connectors. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.